Hi guys, welcome back. This reading is for all people with birth number 7. That means if you're born on the 7th, 16th or the 25th of any month, this reading is for you for the month of December. So we are going to do the same way. We are going to start with an oracle card. So the oracle card that I have for you is Gopal, which is the lord of the cows. So I think you might be consuming a lot of milk or milk related products. Probably it's also the holiday season, for the rest of the world. So please pay attention to that. And in the other words, in terms of the blessings, let me pull this closer to the camera so you can see. So in terms of blessings, we have perfection of parental love, protection of one's children, fertility and well-being of the newborns, devotion to Krishna and those closest to him. So there are chances, especially for people who are planning to have a baby, who have been waiting for a baby or a kid in their life. Possibly, maybe this is the month where you are actually going to get a good news. So for a lot of people, who have this file, or your month of December, there is going to be something related to kids. It's going to be something related to your mother as well, because this guy used to be very close to his mother. So something related to your mother could also happen during this month, or some of you might be visiting your mother, or if you haven't spoken to your mother for quite some time, there are chances that you might be speaking to her. Okay, so let me draw one more card from the other oracle. Oops, the cards are literally jumping. Let's see, what do we have? All right, so the card I have for you is surrender. So just like Lord Ganesha here, it talks about surrendering. It talks about it's number 2. It's also a number of duality. It's a number of where you have to make choices. And a lot of times, I think this month a lot of you might have to make choices. But what the universe is trying to tell you is that maybe in December it is not the time to take a physical action towards it. Don't do anything, but for the month of December, just surrender to the divine. Let the universe guide you in terms of what has to be done or what needs to be done. Maybe the universe is trying to tell you that don't take a decision yet, because universe is going to show you more options. More options are going to come towards you, so you can make a better choice. So if you look closely, right, you see how fruits are here, and how there's a little mouse who's kind of sleeping. That means even people next to you, who whatever people they are next to you, who are kind of related to you, this is the time to make sure that everybody around you is relaxed. So I see surrender also as a time for relaxation, a time for not doing anything, but rather taking things very slowly and relaxing. So I'm going to put these two cards here because these are going to be your theme for the month of December. Let's see from the tarot what cards we have and what is going on. So what sort of general messages can we have for people with birth number 7? All right. So the first card I have for you is the 5 of Michael. The situation doesn't serve you. Release your attachment to the outcome. Consider taking a more uplifting approach. See, something is not serving you, which is exactly why you had this card, surrender, that you don't have to do it. You kind of have to wait. If something is not serving, something is not working the way you want it to right now, don't push it, just let it be. Don't focus on the outcome. Instead, have a more uplifting, or have a more like sort of a positive approach to it. So don't take any action. Don't sign documents or don't do anything just because you kind of have to do it. Wait for it. The next card I have for you is the 8 of Ariel. 8 of Ariel is it's a card of 8 of Pentacles. So 8 of Pentacles is about take great pride in your excellent work. Practice makes perfect. Consider getting additional education or training. So a lot of people who are planning, who especially in this year, who have lost jobs, I think December is going to be a time for you to reflect, to sit back, to reflect, and to realize what you need to do. If you need extra training, if you need to enroll in a new course, or if you need to take one of those little courses that are available on LinkedIn, I think this is a very good time. Use December while rest of the rest of the world is trying to take a break, to focus on family holidays. You can actually focus on doing things that are going to help you after this year ends. The next card I have for you is the Nine of Michael. Your worry is unnecessary. Focus your thoughts on the outcome you desire. Release feelings of regret, guilt, and worry to your angels. See, the amazing thing is both these cards are actually telling you that release whatever attachment that you have to the outcome. You don't have to think about the outcome. All you have to do is you kind of have to focus on, what you can do best. So what you can do best for now is you need to strategize. You really really need to strategize. You really need to come up with a plan in terms of what you want to do and how you want to do, or how you kind of want to move on to the next step. The next card I have for you is the Chariot. See, told you, you guys need to kind of work out. You need to strategize on what the next step is going to be like, because with the Chariot, what we are talking about is determination. We are talking about self control. We're talking about career advancement, acknowledgement of success by others, especially the preceding cards, where here they are telling you, the situation is not serving you, you release your attachment. Then they are telling you, to enroll in a new course, to learn something new. And finally, with the Chariot is telling you that, you are going to make an advancement in your career. All you have to do is focus on what, adding something. You already have the skills. All you have to do is add something on top of your pre-existing skills. The next card I have for you is Page of Raphael. A new emotional situation, messages regarding relationships or social invitations, great intuitive insights. So, when I see Page of Raphael, this particular card, especially, for singles, it could mean, something new, or, someone is coming, probably an air sign is coming towards you. But at the same time, when I see this card, this also means, if you spend your time enrolling in a new course, learning something, the chances where they said, that you could be moving forward, you could get a career advancement. I feel like with the Page of Raphael showing up here, it could mean that, you might start getting, interviews. But despite this reading, being for the month of December, I don't know, for some reason, I think for December, you're going to be focused on all these things. And January onwards, you're going to start hearing back from people. People who want to interview, people who want to get in touch with you to understand better in terms of how you can provide them. The next one I have is the Two of Ariel. It's important to have balance, working multiple jobs or projects at once, making work fun. At the same time, what it's telling you is that, especially, when this card is coming on top of the Eight of Ariel, where it was talking about, adding certain skills. That's why it's showing up, because for some of you who are already working, getting and enrolling yourself, in a new course is actually going to be really abundant for you. So, if in December you want to get, a New Year's gift, or, you want to get like a Christmas gift for someone, I think the best thing you can actually ask for is ask somebody to pay for a course, to contribute towards a course. Instead of getting, materialistic things, ask for things that are going to assist you, that are going to help you out in the future. The next card I have for you guys is the Ten of Ariel. There is so much to be grateful for: financial success and promise of retirement, a rich and rewarding life. 100% guys. I think your message is very very clear. You, for now, just surrender. If things are not working, don't push them. But you have success. I think this reading, the energy I'm picking up is specifically for people, who want to know about where their career is going, how the career is going. And especially, pay attention that, this is a reading for birth number 7, and the 7th card to come here, especially like even for Cancer signs, this is a reading for Cancer sign, or, birth number 7. Your Chariot card is here, and this card is actually telling you that, you are going to move. Some of you could also be traveling, because I just noticed the Chariot card again. So, other than your career, you could be traveling. It could also mean that you could be traveling for business as well. So those things are also on the cards. The last card I have for you is the Wheel. Number 10, new beginnings, end of delays, a change in the direction that offers happiness. So 100% guys, if things have been stalled, things are not moving, um, believe me, trust me, things are going to move. Not in December. Despite this being a reading for December, things are not going to move in December for a majority of you. But January, 100% things are going to start moving. Even for January, I can see like from the second week of January, I think there's going to be a lot of improvement, especially from the business side. From the relationship side, I think things are going to be smooth. I don't see a lot of ups and downs, so everything is going to be pretty smooth. So especially for couples, even for singles who are having a hard time, I think, searching for a partner, or couples who are currently going through this phase of separation, or they're kind of bickering. You kind of have to surrender. That is literally your card. And especially with this card showing up, love is there. Your motherly love towards your partner, your feeling of nurturing and caring for your partner is going to do you really good. So let me know if this reading resonates, and see you next time.